Welcome back to my channel. Today, I went to Culver's and got the chocolate raspberry concrete mixer. You can get their chocolate custard or vanilla custard. I got chocolate custard. It had Dove chocolate pieces in there, so I'll check it out and see how it is. So just like this cup says, me and this mixer are meant to be. That's right. It's pretty good. Like I say, it's pretty good. If you like Dove chocolate and chocolate and raspberries, you don't taste that raspberry too much. You don't taste the raspberry too much, but so you taste more of the chocolate. So if I get a score, I'll get a 7. And I think in more raspberry taste to give me a high score. So thanks for watching. Was like, comment and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you know if I post this video. Tell your friends to subscribe. If not though, and it's good with Joey. Now, thanks for watching. Bye.